How to get Cash App card under 18. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can get Cash App for teen account. In order to get Cash App for teen account, what you'll need to do is first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up your Cash App. So according to Cash App terms and policies, only above 18 years or who's 18 years can open a Cash App account. However, if you want to help a teenager build a Cash App account, what you can do is, if you are a parent or a trusted adult with a verified Cash App account, you can invite someone who is 13 or 17 to use Cash App and access features like P2P transaction, including recurring allowances payment or Cash App card direct deposit, boost Bitcoin and stocks. So basically that is how you can actually open an account for a teenager, or you can get a card for a teenager. So basically this is how you can get a Cash App card under 18. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.